Snyder's Mini Pretzels, anyone? If you are looking for a low-fat, salty and yummy snacks, Snyder's Mini Pretzels is my choice of low-fat crispy snack. It is just 110 calories per 28 gram servings, which is also about 19 pieces of mini pretzels. It has zero saturated fat, trans fat and cholesterol. The best thing is, it is also consists 3 grams of protein from the 110 calories. Isn't that great? Some people love to eat with dipping into the cheese or hummus for a better taste. I simply love it just by its own. Disclaimer: it contains wheat and made in facility that does not process peanuts. It is not a nutritional food, it's simply just a snack substitute. Where can you get it? In some of our Malaysia shopping malls or grocery shops are selling 16 plus ringgits. I prefer to purchase online from iHerb.com. It costs 11 ringgit plus. If you can hit certain amount of purchase, you can get free shipping too. There are quite many things iHerbs are selling cheaper than our local stores. It definitely saves us much money in the long run. Learn how to open an account in iHerb and how to purchase by getting free shipping on my other videos. To buy Snyder's Mini Pretzels, do check out my affiliate links below. That's all you need. I'll see you next time.